The world of business is always evolving, and with it, the way we work. But what if we could adapt seamlessly to the ever-changing landscape of work, to the needs of employees, to the demands of customers? Omnissa can. We're the first AI-driven digital work platform that enables smart, seamless, secure work experiences from anywhere. And you've met us before. Formerly VMware End User Computing Division, we are trusted by thousands of organizations worldwide for decades, and we're ready for the next era of partnership. We are Omnissa. We make digital work for businesses and their people by driving smarter decisions and creating seamless experiences, all while keeping your company secure. So while our name has changed, our commitment to our customers and partners is constant. The end result? IT teams can efficiently and effectively provide personalized experiences to all employees. Employees can do their best work anytime, anywhere. And businesses can unlock exponential value.
Wow, that was exciting, wasn't it? Hello, and welcome to Omnissa Live. My name is Shankar Iyer, and I'm the CEO of Omnissa. I'm very excited to join you today. Omnissa is a newly independent software company that's already the industry leader in what used to be called end-user computing. But today, it should be more accurately called digital workspaces. Omnissa's purpose, the reason we exist, is to empower employees to do their best work from anywhere. And we believe passionately that Omnissa is the only company in the world with a unique combination of assets to make that happen. Over the course of the next hour, you are going to hear from Omnissa executives, customers, partners, and industry experts to talk about what it will take to redefine the future of work, and our strategy to maximize that opportunity for our customers and partners. We hope that this event will only be the start of rich and regular engagement between Omnissa and a broad community of pioneers working together to redefine digital workspace experiences and thereby our industry. But before we look forward, I'd like to take a step back to 2.5 years ago when we were starting to emerge from the global pandemic. The concept of the workspace had changed forever. Companies were adapting to the realization that remote work was now hybrid work. And hybrid work was not simply a question of working in one place or the other. It was this dynamic tension between employees operating in a way that best suited them and their work, and employers that were trying to maintain the integrity of the whole organization. And beneath that balance between agility and resilience were complex IT infrastructure needs. With millions of devices across multiple operating systems, cloud environments, application platforms, that diversity was tremendous. The only thing that was consistent was that employees had high expectations of a seamless digital experience, and they were very vocal about getting it. At that time, we saw a need we believed that only we could fulfill. Many of these companies were relying on Workspace ONE and Horizon to deliver seamless digital experiences to their employees. We had the industry's leading platform, being used by most of the Global 2000 to securely manage over 34 million endpoints. We had a leadership team that was deeply experienced in this market, and we had a very rich engineering heritage. We knew digital workspaces would continue to evolve, and we knew that we had to invest in our vision of the AI-infused autonomous workspace, a vision that would enable flexibility and choice while also ensuring security and compliance, meeting that need for both agility and resilience, and one that leveraged modern AI technologies and significant automation to dramatically lower the cost for IT. Omnissa is a result of that confidence in our unique capabilities and in our vision. Omnissa today has already $1.5 billion of annual recurring revenue, and we are trusted by 26,000 customers across the world. We are growing, we're profitable, with 4,000 employees that are truly excited to be part of this newly independent company. And the Omnissa platform is poised to become the industry's de facto platform. We also have the backing and investment of KKR Private Equity. KKR has this very deep conviction that Omnissa is uniquely positioned to be a marquee software company that not only defines but leads the space to capitalize on a $26 billion market opportunity. We were impressed not just with their financial commitment, but their focus on value creation through growth. As a result, we will be investing significantly in 3 areas. Number 1, technology, infusing AI throughout our platform to deliver autonomous workspaces that are self-healing, self-configuring, and self-securing. Number 2, go-to-market, making it easier for our customers and partners to work with us. And number 3, an ecosystem which not just includes the major cloud players, Microsoft, Google, and AWS, but many, many more stalwarts in the industry. Distributed and multi-generational workforces are only the first iteration of the modern digital workspace. While around 50% of organizations issued return to office mandates, 84% of organizations continue to operate hybrid or work from anywhere policies. And 54% of leaders have indicated that future workspace changes will actually be at the employee's discretion. Digital workspaces and the infrastructure that enables them will continue to evolve. And as AI enters the workforce, the challenges only grow more complex. AI-infused tools, chatbots, and co-pilots accelerate human creativity and productivity. But to realize this potential, organizations need to overcome technological and cultural barriers to implementation. Omnissa exists to help them do both. Next, you'll hear from 2 of my key collaborators in the formation of Omnissa. Bharath Rangarajan, Omnissa's SVP of Products, and Renu Upadhyay, our SVP of Marketing. We'll start with Bharath, who will provide insight into our technology investments and strategy, including our vision for the AI-driven autonomous workspace. Thank you.
Thank you, Shankar, and hello, everyone. I'm Bharath Rangarajan, SVP of Products for Omnissa. And today, I'd like to share with you insights into the technology investments we're making that'll empower new employee experiences. Today, the quality of employee experience is one of the most important topics in any organization that is vital to talent retention, agility, and resilience. Even 3 years ago, that was not the case. Before the pandemic proved a catalyst for increasing budgets, the expectations within most organizations was that the employee IT experience would be bearable. End-user computing services were delivered by IT teams as part of larger enterprise infrastructure initiatives and were never given the priority they deserved. With the pandemic, of course, the whole construct of workspaces changed. First, enterprise entropy is on the rise, and a new reality has set in as dynamic, distributed workforce with diverse functional needs have led to new technologies in the IT estate. The market raced to introduce new application and device functionality to satisfy these changing workforce demands. Secondly, expectations also changed as the lines between personal space and workspace blurred. Employees brought personal expectations to their work experiences, demanding choice and flexibility. HR department expectations have changed as well and wanted optionality to attract talent. And of course, CFO expectations have also increased with the aim to reduce the financial implications of these new work styles. Initiatives like zero touch, zero trust, and employee self-service have all helped limit entropy. But it is still overwhelming IT departments, two-thirds of which suffered persistent talent shortages even as budgets moderately increased, which resulted in the final E, exposure. As the expanding attack surface increased, the threat exposure also increased, resulting in a 20% increase in the number of security tools organizations are managing, further overwhelming IT departments and competing with employee expectations of a seamless, unrestricted work experience, resulting in around 90% of employees taking actions to bypass these security controls, putting us in a vicious loop. At this moment, the customer and market need for a company that was 100% focused on the betterment of digital workspace experience became apparent to everyone, crystallizing into the company you see before you today, Omnissa. A company committed to innovate in our approach to continuously adapt with a comprehensive digital work platform comprised of our marquee Workspace ONE and Horizon products that serve tens of thousands of customers and tens of millions of users every day, underpinning 4 solution sets: virtual applications and desktops, unified endpoint management, security and compliance, and digital employee experience management, uniquely integrated through common data, identity, administration, and automation services. And optimizing IT spend by providing the extensibility and flexibility to manage any combination of OS, cloud platform, applications, and devices, and across any deployment scenario. We are committed to open APIs, enabling integration with a total ecosystem of technology partners to maximize customer ROI, avoid vendor lock-in, and increase future choice, and providing tangible benefits far beyond the immediate problem. For example, providing the increasing number of leaders like VP of Digital Employee Experience with intelligence that enables them to track qualitative and quantitative employee experience metrics such as Net Promoter Scores, and providing a reliable foundational platform for future growth and innovation. When VMware acquired AirWatch, the urgent priority at that time was securely managing the tens of millions of mobile devices as part of the enterprise architecture. Fast forward to today, digital workspace needs will easily outpace hundreds of millions of devices and potentially even billions if you incorporate new use cases like frontline IoT and AR and VR. That is the future that Omnissa is ready to empower. A future that is further fueled by AI. Not the hype and FOMO of AI, but AI that is aligned to our vision, relevant to our customers, and built responsibility with security and privacy in mind. For instance, use cases such as natural language-based automation that reduces the burden on enterprise IT and scales faster than entropy can take hold. AI that summarizes the environment so our customers can prove the value of their investments with automatically generated reports, for instance. And we're just getting started. New use cases we'll discover with customers and partners as we explore the practical applications of data-driven insights. Delivering on our vision of the autonomous workspace that is self-healing, self-configuring, and self-securing. Continuously adapting to the way people work, empowering employees with engaging and personalized digital workspace experiences that are smart, seamless, and secure, while at the same time optimizing security, IT operations, and costs. we are most definitely entering a new era for our company, Omnissa, for our industry, and for the digital workspace as a whole. With the investments we will make, we will not only be able to meet the rising expectations, we will far exceed and potentially even redefine them. Now, before you hear from Renu on the investments we are making in our go-to-market strategy, we wanted to share some of the excitement we have seen from our customers and partners following the launch of Omnissa. Thank you.
Yeah, we've been working with Omnissa for nearly a decade now across a number of different Google products. During that time, we've collaborated really closely to tackle some of our customers' biggest security and digital experience challenges.
So I've been working with Omnissa, with Horizon specifically, for a long time. It's been 12 years now. And in that time frame, we've seen a lot of innovation and growth, especially around user experience.
So we've been working with EUC, or end user computing, for over 4 years, and the collaboration has always been strong and innovative and really pushing the bar forward. And what I've loved about that collaboration and what's worked for Intel is we're constantly looking at how to solve the customer's problems. What's the problem, what's the need, and what is the software solution that we're bringing to market, combined with hardware, to really deliver that wow factor.
We have a very rich partnership with Omnissa that goes back way too many years for probably any of us to care to admit to at this point. The relationship for us is one of extreme importance and really mutual investment, and that sets it apart from any other partnership that we have.
I think what's really important is you absolutely have to prioritize the employee. What are they looking for? How are they going to interact with it? How is it intuitive? How is it cost effective? All of those pieces are super important. At the same time, you have to empower IT professionals to be able to manage it, make sure it's secure and safe. And when you can bundle all of those pieces together, you get a very effective digital workspace solution.
We've got a very decentralized IT presence at Rentokil. We like I say, we're in 90 separate countries. Most of those countries have got their own IT departments. But really what we're looking for is the ability to give our local IT departments the ability to manage devices themselves, to have administrative control themselves, but also for us on a group level to be able to monitor what's happening on a global basis. We want to do all that through a single pane of glass.
There's two main criteria for effective digital workspace solutions. It has to be reliable. There can't be a lot of problems. It can't be crashing. It can't be closing. And it has to perform well. People can't be fighting the technology to use their applications or to do their work.
Ultimately, we know that Omnissa is a very focused organization on the positive impact for end user compute, and we're really excited to see how that innovation changes the lives of our customers.
Omnissa being an independent company focusing on end user computing is a really interesting future model for us. It does help us better frame and get more specific on the use cases and the needs that we have as an organization. Plus, it lets us drive the change that we were hoping for due to the agility that a more focused end user compute company can bring to the table.
Yeah, we're really excited for the fresh perspective that Omnissa is going to bring to this market. There's so many changes and challenges that the IT market is going through right now, especially with the massive impact of AI. It's going to be critically important for our partners to be laser focused on customer needs and being really agile. Their dedication to innovation aligns really well with our own goal to deliver cutting edge technologies to the market.
I see a lot of positive vibes around the launch of Omnissa. And it's good to see that things are now becoming more clear for both partners, customers, and the community. And with Omnissa standing on its own feet, I expect there will be an even bigger focus on new product and solution developments.
I've been there from the beginning. I've loved all the technologies that VMware and now Omnissa is bringing to the table.
I'm really excited to continue the working relationship with Omnissa. I've always found them to be very agile, very creative, and always looking for opportunities to collaborate. We have a number of great engagements underway that we've built over the last decade working together. And I'd say the pipeline of innovation that we're working on now collaboratively is bigger than anything that we've had in the past.
The most rewarding part of my personal journey with Omnissa has been participating in the community, helping others, attending events and conferences, and building friendships with those in the community and also the people at Omnissa.
I'm stoked about working with Omnissa, and I couldn't congratulate the team more for their launch. We're looking forward to continuing our partnership. We have many, many more years of beautiful relationship to come, and we look forward to working together jointly to work on our customers.
Wow, wasn't that amazing? Hearing from our customers and partners is always so energizing. Hi, I'm Renu Upadhyay, SVP of Marketing for Omnissa. You heard from our CEO, Shankar Iyer, reveal how Omnissa was catapulted from a post-pandemic idea to this independent software company based on a deep conviction that we have a unique combination of assets that will fuel resilience and unlock new value from AI. You heard our SVP of Products, Bharath Rangarajan, explain how our vision of the AI-driven autonomous workspace, one that is self-healing, self-configuring, and self-securing, will bring order to entropy. And finally, you heard from our customers and partners, sharing their hopes for the future of Omnissa. Now, I'm so excited to talk to you about how Omnissa plans to invest to build a vibrant community of customers, partners, and over 4,000 Omnissa employees, all working together to redefine how work gets done. It all starts with our customers. In research conducted to expand on the value we can bring to our customers, you told us that while you believe AI and hybrid work will bring powerful benefits to your workforce, they also create cultural tensions that need to be resolved. And while AI and hybrid work help to fill talent gaps, you still lack critical talent today, just creating tremendous pressure to work a lot more efficiently while innovating to stay competitive. You just can't afford transformation to equal disruption, and so you value reliability. But you also need agility, given the uncertainties we all face. While you want technology providers who listen and create offerings based on your needs, you also need to partner with leaders who show you the way. Partners you can trust, who engage deeply, collaborating and not competing with other technology platforms and providers. All of us operating in your best interests. To meet this last need, we are investing in two key areas: our channel partners and our people. Let's start with the channel partners. Our solution resellers, service providers, and strategic partnerships are critical to Omnissa. We plan to expand global coverage and optimize our partner programs for scale, growth, and profitability. We will accelerate enablement and invest to help our partners build digital workspace practices. We'll share roadmaps and simplify our pricing and packaging, enabling our partners to create value from our platform for all of their customers. Our employees are united behind our new brand and a common set of values that align to our collective focus on the needs of our customers. When Shankar said that our purpose is empowering employees to do their best work, he was talking about our own employees as much as end users. Our employees are the face of Omnissa to our partners and our customers. And I know I speak for all of them when I say We are excited for you to meet our new company. As we come to the end of this Omnissa Live event, this is my ask of all of you. Help us advocate for the customers making this transition to the AI era, fighting against entropy, building autonomous workspaces, redefining workspace experiences, and changing how work gets done. We look forward to working and engaging with you all in the weeks, months, and years ahead in our community, online, and at all of our events. So much has already happened to get us to this point, but we are really only just at the beginning. Join us on this journey and help us define how work gets done your way. Thank you.